Is it coolant? No. Is it oil? No. Is it diesel? Yeah. In this video, I'll be talking about how I repaired my leaking fuel injector pump. First, you have to identify the source of the leak, and sometimes this can be pretty difficult. In my case, the leak grew stronger when I filled the fuel tank. I primed the engine with the auxiliary pump, which then caused bubbles to appear from under this flange. The part that appeared faulty was the barrel O-ring, numbered 100 on this diagram. Note that this diagram is not an accurate representation of this pump. The two seals are different sizes. Each assembly is held in place with two T30 tamper-resistant Torx bolts, labeled 110 on this diagram. Please note that Bosch MD made these bolts tamper-resistant for a reason. Tampering with the injection pump can cause damage to the engine, so do this repair at your own risk. I began with marking the rotational configuration with my Dremel tool. Then I removed the fuel injector pipe along with its clamp. I made sure to cover up the fittings to prevent fuel contamination. In this clip, you can see that I've already removed one assembly along with its O-ring seals. Note that there is a very important tiny pin that may fall out while disassembling. Finding the correct part number for the O-rings was a challenge in itself. After getting all the measurements, I ended up ordering them from McMaster Car. Both of the O-rings I ordered were made of chemical-resistant Viton, one being 2 mm wide by 15 mm in diameter, while the other one is 2 mm wide and 16 mm in diameter. Both types of O-rings came in a pack of 10. I put on both new O-rings and installed the assembly into the pump, making sure not to forget the little pin. The most important and final step is to prime the engine and pray to the Kubota Lord that you didn't mess something up.